When I think about the business model canvas and one of the most sort of utilized elements of it, boxes, but also what you can do with it when you think about exponentiality is the customer relationships. I think a lot of startups and big companies and everyone else in between, when they think about business modeling and business model canvas, they look at customer relationships, and the first thing you think about is support, right? And how do you support your customers and have them connect with you via some support channel or whatever that thing is. And that's fine, and that belongs in that. But also, the customer relationships is really about, in the business model in general, even for linear growth, should be about how do I keep an ongoing relationship, a communication channel open with my customers way beyond the sale, right? So even if I'm selling them a book, how do I connect with them in a way that I know that they bought this book and I can start to talk with them way beyond the minute they spend $25 or whatever this book costs, right? Can I have that so I get feedback about it, but also so I can provide them with other useful information and maybe other offers in the future about that.
So now we're talking about customer relationship
Customer
management,
relationship.
CRM.
It could be customer relationship management, CRM, but it could even be simpler than that. It could be, it could be rewards things, and allowing people to gain points for things. That's not just CRM, right? That's built into it. I think Nespresso's got something really interesting, which is the Nespresso Club, right? Which allows them not only to sell coffee directly to you and me, but understand what we bought. You build exponentiality into that, by the way, by building a community of fans. And so when you've got not just an ongoing communication with people, but you take that customer relationship box and you flip the switch and you say, you know what? We're going to make people love us. Not just like us and like our products and be able to use support to call us, but they're going to absolutely love us to the end of time. That's when you create exponentiality. And I think one of the best examples of that is Zappos. Zappos has this community of fans that goes forever because they have a support structure that actually supports people being able to provide the people who buy on something on Zappos, provide them a very unique service, not in just buying a pair of shoes and getting it delivered next day, but also if something goes wrong or if it's not the right size, making sure that it's taken care of literally tomorrow, right? And if even more, and going above and beyond, when something does go wrong or something could be done more right, going above and beyond to make that customer really, really, really happy.